In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Android app not installing. So let's get straight into the video. There are a couple of things that you'll need to do for it. The first thing you want to do is check your storage space, free up space, and try again. If that is not the case, it could be because of your internet connection. A poor or unstable connection can stop the download, so use a Wi-Fi or a stable mobile data connection. If that is not working, you want to simply go ahead and enable install from unknown apps. Just go to settings, security, install unknown apps, and allow permission for your browsers. Once you simply go ahead and do so, you might also need to go ahead and clear cache of multiple different applications. Simply go ahead and follow these right here. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and try downloading the app one more time. Also, make sure the app is compatible with your Android version and device architecture. Also, if none of it works, simply go ahead and try restarting your phone. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.